Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a detailed review of BitPanda, one of Europe's leading cryptocurrency and investment platforms. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding how BitPanda works and what it offers is key before you start investing. So BitPanda is a Vienna-based fintech company that allows users to buy, sell and store cryptocurrencies, stocks, ETFs and precious metals, all from a single platform. It launched back in 2014 and has quickly grown into one of the most popular investment apps in Europe with over 3 million users. One of the standout features of BitPanda is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to make investing accessible, even if you're new to the crypto space or stock market. So now let us talk about what this service offers. Firstly, cryptocurrency trading. You can trade over 70 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. Stocks and ETFs. BitPanda lets you buy fractional shares, so you don't need to invest in a whole stock upfront. Then we have precious metals. You can invest in gold, silver, platinum, and palladium directly on the platform. Then BitPanda Savings. This is a handy feature to automate your investments. With scheduled purchases, and BitPanda Card, a debit card linked to your BitPanda account, allowing you to spend your crypto or fiat balance anywhere Visa is accepted. And lastly, security. BitPanda uses strong security protocols, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for crypto assets. So no review is complete without discussing fees. BitPanda's fee structure is transparent, but it's important to be aware of the costs. So the platform includes a spread in the price where you buy or sell assets. This can vary between 0.1 to 1.5% depending on the asset. Additional fees apply for using certain payment methods like credit or debit cards. For BitPanda Pro, their advanced trading platform, fees are generally lower and designed for frequent traders. So overall, fees are competitive compared to many other European platforms, but it's always good to double check for the assets you intend to trade. So the platform includes a spread in the price when you buy or sell assets. This can vary between 0.1 and 1.5% depending on the assets. Additional fees apply for using certain payment methods like credit or debit cards. For BitPanda Pro, their advanced trading platform, fees are generally lower and designed for frequent traders. So many users appreciate BitPanda's clean and intuitive design. The mobile app is well rated on both Android and iOS, providing seamless access to your portfolio on the go. Customer support is available via email and live chat, with response times that users find acceptable for a platform of this size. There's also a comprehensive help center to guide you through common questions. So to summarize, now let us discuss the pros and cons. So a wide variety of assets in one place, user-friendly platform suited for beginners, ability to invest in fractional shares and metals, automated savings plans, good security standards. In cons, fees can be higher than some direct crypto exchanges, limited availability outside of Europe. Customer support response times can also vary. And this, guys, wraps up our review. If you're interested in exploring BitPanda yourself, I have included an affiliate link in the description below. So using that link helps support the channel at no cost to you, and you may also receive special bonuses from BitPanda when signing up. So if you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you for watching and enjoy investments.